I used ChatGPT for everything: content, coding, research, and honestly, I thought nothing could replace it. But then I tried Claude, and I couldn't go back. Here's exactly why.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Before we jump into the real-world tests, let's talk numbers, because the data tells a pretty interesting story. On the GDPval Knowledge Work Benchmark, which measures AI performance on real professional tasks, Claude Opus 4.6 scored 144 ELO points higher than GPT 5.2. That's a massive gap. ELO is the same rating system used in chess, so 144 points isn't just a small edge, it's a significant lead. And it doesn't stop there. In specialized agentic tests like financial analysis and agentic search, Claude Opus 4.6 again outperformed GPT 5.2, and it shows massive improvements in long context retrieval and reasoning compared to earlier versions. That means it handles longer documents and more complex tasks far better than before. Claude Opus 4.6 outperforms on nuanced reasoning and writing quality, which you're about to see for yourself. All right, let's get into it. I gave both tools the exact same prompt, and at the end of that prompt, I specifically wrote, "Keep it casual and simple, no formatting." Here's what happened. ChatGPT gave me headings, bullet points, and a formatted layout, none of which I asked for. Now I have to go back, re-prompt it, explain what I meant, and waste another 5 minutes just to get a basic output. Sound familiar? Claude? It read the room. It gave me a clean, casual paragraph, exactly what I asked for on the first try. No unnecessary formatting, no re-prompting needed. But here's the part that actually surprised me. At the top of the response, Claude generated these interactive cards, a beautiful visual summary of the content. And they're not just for show. You can click on them to dive deeper into any specific topic. That's a level of output intelligence I wasn't expecting. Bottom line, for content writing and prompt following, Claude understood my intent without me having to repeat myself. That alone saves a ridiculous amount of time. Now let me show you something that's been a total game changer for my content workflow. In Claude, you can go to Edit, Use Style, and here's where it gets interesting. You don't just pick a preset tone. You can actually train Claude on your own writing style. All you do is paste a few paragraphs of content you've written before, a blog post, a script, anything, and Claude analyzes it to build a custom style profile. I uploaded one of my own video scripts, and from that point on, every piece of content it generated matched my rhythm, my tone, my sentence structure. No more spending 20 minutes adjusting AI-generated text to sound like you wrote it. Claude does that automatically. Here's another feature that's quietly one of the most useful things I found. Claude has a projects feature. Think of it like a dedicated workspace for whatever you're building. You set it up once, describe what you're working on, what kind of output you want, the context, and it saves all of it. Every time you come back to that project, Claude already knows the context. No re-explaining, no starting from scratch. You can even attach PDFs, documents, or reference material to the project, so Claude always has the right information to pull from. It works a lot like a knowledge base, similar to Notebook LM, but instead of just answering questions about your documents, it actively uses that knowledge to help you create things. Big difference. Okay, this is where Claude genuinely blew me away. I gave both tools the same prompt. Build a complete creator dashboard with audience analytics, content strategy tools, and engagement tracking. ChatGPT generated the code. Fine, you copy it, download it, open it as an HTML file, and if you want to change something, you go back to the chat, reprompt, copy again. It's a loop. Claude did something completely different. It generated the full dashboard live, right in front of you. But then, here's the part that changes everything. You click the 3 dots and hit Artifact, and suddenly you're in split screen mode. On one side, your fully interactive dashboard, on the other, your chat window. I typed add hover animations and a glow effect on the cards. Claude updated the dashboard live. I could see the changes happen in real time. No copy pasting, no re-downloading, no guessing whether it worked. And the best part? It doesn't rewrite the entire code from scratch every time. It surgically adds the changes. The results are precise, fast, and exactly on point. This feature alone is the reason I made the switch. Now let's talk about connectors, because this is where Claude's potential becomes almost unlimited. Claude supports MCP connectors, which are open-source integrations that let you connect Claude to the apps you already use. Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, Notion, the list keeps growing because it's open source, meaning developers around the world keep building new ones. For example, connect your Gmail and you can have Claude read your emails, summarize threads, and draft replies, all without leaving the chat. Connect Google Drive and you can pull up project documents, generate progress updates, and share them with your team. This isn't just a chatbot anymore, it's becoming a genuine workflow system. And last but not least, skills. Skills let you create custom AI behaviors and save them for reuse. Here's an example. I created a skill called Step Builder. Its job is to take any raw information and turn it into clean, structured, step-by-step instructions. Once the skill is saved, it shows up in your tools. Next time I need to turn a block of notes into a step-by-step guide, I just select Step Builder, paste the info, and it's done. No prompting, no explaining. It just works. For content creators, educators, or anyone who produces instructional content regularly, this is a massive time saver. So that's why I made the switch. It wasn't one thing, it was the combination of prompt accuracy, custom styles, live editing with artifacts, MCP integrations, and the ability to build reusable tools with skills. ChatGPT is still a solid tool, but Claude fits the way I actually work. Now, I want to hear from you. Which tool are you using? And has anything here changed your mind? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.